Alright, not too crazy. Got 3.5 on here. I'm just going to go till I can't, more or less. We'll see how many that is. Hopefully I don't send my kneecaps across the gym and splattering onto that wall over there. Yeah. Alright. Ouch. Pulling my hair, whatever. Forgot to grab a hair tie. Ow. Oh, shit. Hell yeah. Alright, we'll do another one of these. And then I'm done with this. I tell you what. I'll do some leg press and then extensions, then I'm done. I'm not doing anything after that. I can't even breathe, so. Woo! Yep. Oh, it burns. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough for me. Woo! All right, we got 6 plates, right? Yeah. 6, okay. I'm really thankful that you set it at the lowest notch for me to get into. That's super nice of you.
You're welcome.
Oh, fuck. Not yet. Okay, I need to go a little bit higher than that. I hate these handles. Piss me off. My legs. The calf cramp is what's doing you. I'm surprised I've gotten 5 sets in and I haven't my head hurts so bad. I can't breathe. I wake up every morning and I just have I blow my nose, it's just brown and yellow and full of blood. Yeah. Anyway. Oh gosh, I'm pretty fried, honestly. I still have leg extensions after this. I'm gonna get 1 set, I think. The grilled chicken sandwich there is gas. Oh, it's so good. It's juicy. Also, the buffalo ones. Oh. All right, whatever. See what I can do on this. I got a little stuck on that one. That's it. I was pretty stuck. I got kind of scared. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. I was just panicking. I was like, I can't move. It's not happening. Yeah. I went down and it got really heavy. But I mean, that last rep I felt great.
Yeah, the rep before that it was
I was like, yeah, well, let's get it.
brick wall. Should have got traction today.
I got a new. Alright, this will be the last thing I'm doing. Just gonna hit 1 set of leg extensions here. I'm gonna go to failure, and then I'm gonna try to get a failure set. So hit failure, rest, pause, go again. Go 2 or 3. Rest, pause, then maybe hit 1. We'll see. That's the plan, at least. Foot's cramping. That's epic. So now I'll wait a bit. Feels like my legs are still moving. Like they're phasing through the pad. That's a very strange feeling. Now let's see if we can get 2 or 3. Ow. Oh, that burns. A plate? You think I could do? I don't think I could ever. I think I could maybe hit like a plate and a half on this for like 4.
So obviously it's heavier on the bottom line when you go at the highest point, and then is that
This is
heavier
for.
at the set?
I don't know. I think this is at the top part. Honestly, I feel like. I don't know.
I feel like it would be heavier down here because it's more.
Oh no, it's definitely because like when it's further away from the point of rotation, so it's heavier at the top. Easy. Okay. That'll do it. Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay. All right. Okay. I am tore up. That's a good thing though. My diaper, as Katie so affectionately put it. Oh, yeah, we're pretty pumped, pretty inflamed. Really tight. Not bad though. Okay, that'll do it for me. I gotta go home. Trying to throw up mostly. Tomorrow's chest. Hello, everybody. We are back at it once again. With today, with the gym. I'm still surviving. You know. Want you to take the time to, if you haven't and you're watching, just go ahead and like the video, hit subscribe, leave a comment. I would appreciate that. But you don't have to. It's a free country. Well, maybe. I don't know where you live. Oh, goodness. Come on. There we go. All right. Today is... Excuse me. Today is looking like it's going to be a leg day. I don't know how well my cardiovascular system is going to perform when it comes to legs. And that's just because I'm still working on it, you know? Like, still working on it. I don't know. This is like one of the longest times I've just had this like long-term ridiculous sickness, and it's really kind of annoying. Because like I feel fine, like physically I'm good to go. I'm like better, but I just keep like having like tickles in my throat, and like there's mucus and all sorts of nasty stuff. So that's what's holding me back. But for the most part, you know, I can say that really I'm like pretty good. I'm pretty good. I'm glad to be where I am in comparison to where I was. I think that's something that everybody should be uh, able to reflect on at times. If you are in a better spot now than you were yesterday or a year before or whatever, that's a good thing. And if you're in a worse spot, what do you need to do to affect the changes in your life to get out of that, to move towards that place that you want to be? There you go. Arnold this weekend in Columbus, Ohio. I booked like the world's crappiest hotel room. It was like $55 for one night, so that'll be interesting. Last time I stayed in a hotel that cheap, I had my back hurt so bad. The mattresses were atrocious. It was a terrible time, but it was fun because as guys go, as men, when you have a really bad, awful time in good company, it tends to be a lot of fun. It's like those things kind of stick out in your memory. Like you don't really remember, like, oh yeah, one time we went to this luxury 5-star thing and everything was super comfortable and it was so nice and so good, etc. I mean, sure, you remember it, but it's not as poignant, and at least in my opinion, as when you're like, oh yeah, dude, one time we went camping and it rained the whole time and it was freezing cold and we almost died, and like that's a lot more fun. I can't explain it. I just think it's more humorous, maybe interesting. I don't know. It's the days when you're like, or it's the events that are just so bad, but the company you share them with is the important part, I think. Yeah. Goodness. Okay. So, I think we are going to be doing legs. I just don't know what we're going to be doing. I don't think, like, I've been missing barbell squatting. I've really been wanting to get back into it, but it's just that, that's not going to happen. With where we are right now. You know what I mean? This doesn't seem quite possible. So, like, I could probably do it, but I'd probably get like 3 or 4 reps in, choke on my own spit. It'd be a terrible time. Granted, insofar as like any sort of heavy squat compound is gonna feel that way. So I don't really. I'm trying to think, Probably just gonna end up going for that V squat machine. I really, really like that thing. And it gets me nice and sore, like really sore. I really like that aspect of it. So, probably do like 2 or 3 sets of that. And then, do 2 or 3. What comes after that? I'm having trouble remembering. I think like leg press. Yeah, so like I'll do 2 or 3 sets of that. Maybe 2 sets of leg press. I'll see if I can get any of the Bulgarians in there. Who knows? And then I'll finish up with leg extensions. That seems to be... Yeah, that sounds like a good plan in my head. Yeah. Well, yeah. We'll roll with that. But I hope everybody else out there who's watching... Holy moly! That was close. Hope everybody else out there is watching, is having a good time. You're feeling better than... you're breathing better than I am, etc. I'm not doing too terribly anymore, but I just wish I'd never gotten sick in the first place. I lost like 2.5 weeks of lifting, and that sucks, I don't know how much like gains potential really I lost, but 2 weeks worth, But I'm gonna be consistent here again. Gonna get those uploads in. If you guys want to see something from the Arnold, I'm not really sure if I'll like be recording anything or whatever. It doesn't seem like my kind of thing. But like the travel lifestyle vlog stuff. This is the extent of what I do for video stuff. So, gosh, this it smells like a skunk. I think somebody hit a skunk. That sucks. Anyway, but I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna finish up a little snacky poo here, have some more of my white monster, and get dialed in for some legs. So, cheers.